Hello students, good morning and welcome to today's math class. So we are continuing our frequency distribution tables and graphs, that is statistics. We have only 3 exercises. First exercise completed, second exercise today we are going to complete. So only 2 problems left in that exercise. So students, we are in exercise 7.2 frequency distribution tables and graphs, exercise 7.2. Yesterday we did 6th one, now 7th. Listen carefully, important and little tough also because some concepts are involved. Not that simple formula, something we have to understand the question. See here, 7th question. Cumulative frequency table is given. See here. Zero to 10, 10 to 20. Number of cricketers. Zero to 10, 3. Students, 10 to 20, 8. 20 to 30, 19. 30 to 40, 25. 40 to 50, 30. This is the cumulative frequency table. So the question is, what type of cumulative is given? Try to build the frequencies of respective class intervals. See here, students. See here, I explained the cumulative frequency. There are 2 types of cumulative frequencies. Less than cumulative frequency, greater than cumulative frequency. See here, suppose 3, 5, 6, 11, 10, these are the frequencies. Students, what is less than cumulative frequency? Adding the frequencies from top. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 6. 8 plus, say for example, this is 11. So this will be 19. 19 plus this is 6. This will be 25. Say this is 5. This will be 30. See, LCF means adding the frequencies from top. 3. 3 plus 5. 8. Already we did some problems. I explained. Less than cumulative frequency. Cumulative means sum. Cumulative means addition. Cumulating means keep on adding. So there are 2 types of cumulative frequencies. Less than cumulative frequencies means we add the frequencies from top. Greater than cumulative frequency means we add the frequencies from bottom. See here, 3 plus, one example I gave. 3, 5, 11, 6, 5 are frequencies, for example. Then what is the less than cumulative frequency? Adding the frequencies from top. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 11, 19 plus 6, 25 plus 5, 30, like that. Greater than cumulative frequency, adding the frequencies from bottom. See here, students, 5 plus 6, 11 plus 11, 22 plus 5, 27 plus 3, 30. From bottom if you add, that is just greater than cumulative frequency. From top if you add, less than cumulative frequency. Suppose this word is not, these words are not given. Only these two are given. Can you tell what is less than cumulative frequency and what is greater than cumulative frequency? Yes, we can tell. Because if it is increasing mode, it is less than cumulative frequency. It is decreasing mode, it is greater than cumulative frequency. Here also, tell what is this? 3, 8, 19, 25, 30. This is already given that it is a cumulative frequency. Now you have to tell, you have only two options. You tell me, is it less than cumulative frequency or greater than? Less than or greater than, that you have to tell. Is it less or greater? You have to tell, students. So frequency, these values are in increasing mode, increasing. This is less than cumulative frequency. The given values are less than cumulative frequency. Write down the reason. Write on the table. In the given table, write down. In the given table, cumulative frequency is in increasing form. Cumulative frequency is See the spelling from the textbook. Cumulative frequency is in increasing order. Cumulative frequency is in increasing order. Increasing order. In the given table, the cumulative frequency is in the increasing order. Hence, it is less than cumulative frequency. Hence, it is less than cumulative frequency. Hence, it is less than cumulative frequency. Increasing. Hence, it is less than cumulative frequency. Over. Next, second question. Same in that only. Try to build the frequencies of the respective class intervals. Write the frequencies. Frequencies we have to write. Less than cumulative frequency is given. That means this is given, this we have to prepare. Reverse. Students, less than cumulative frequency is given. Less than cumulative frequency is given. Find the frequencies. How to find the frequencies? First is 3 only. If this is 8, what should be this? 5. Because 3 plus 5 is 8, like that. This is addition, cumulative. This is less than cumulative frequency. This is less than cumulative frequency. This is, again if you write the table, then you write LCF here. So then this will be 8 minus 3. 5, this will be 5 only. Because 3 plus 5 is 8. Like that we keep on adding. What will be this? 19 minus 5. 19 minus 8. Difference, 2 difference. 8 minus 3, 5. 19 minus 8, 11. 25 minus 19. 25 minus 19. 25 minus 19, 6. 30 minus 25, 5. See here. 3 same. 8 minus 3, 5. 19 minus 8, 11. 25 minus 19, 6. 30 minus 5. 30 minus 25, 5. This is LCF. See, if this is given, we can get it. See here, students. 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 11, 19. 19 plus 6, 25. 25 plus 5, 30, like that. Generally, in reverse order, we have practice of it. But this is completely given in reverse order. LCF is given, frequency is asked. Generally, frequency will be given. LCF will be asked. So if frequencies are given, first 3 plus 5 8 plus 11 19 plus 6 25 plus 5 30. But here it is given, we have to prepare this. How? 3 will be 3 only, 8 minus 3 5, 19 minus 8 11, 25 minus 19 6, 30 minus 25 5 like this. So 3, 8 minus 3 5, 19 minus 8 11, 25 minus 19 6, 30 minus 25 5 over. So 2 questions are asked in this. Because this is the increasing order, it will be definitely less than cumulative frequency. Greater than cumulative frequency will be decreasing order. The numbers will increase like this. That means it will be bigger number, so decrease like that. So increasing means less than cumulative frequency over. We have to prepare the frequencies. How to prepare the frequencies? This is same. This is sum. Sum is given means to get the original value, subtract. 8 minus 3, 11 minus 8. 25 minus 9, 30 minus 5. That's all. 3, 5, 11, 6, 5 are the frequencies. Write down, students. Students, after completing this, write down the 8th one. Eighth. Students, 8th question. Number of books. One to 10. 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, greater than cumulative frequency GCF 42, 36, 23, 14, 6. Question is, write the frequencies of respective classes. Write the frequencies. Same like previous problem. Write the frequencies. It is clearly given that given cumulative frequency is greater than cumulative frequency. So we require frequencies. This given is greater than cumulative frequency. It is given greater than cumulative frequency is given. Greater than cumulative frequency is given. So how to get the frequencies? In greater than cumulative frequency, frequencies are added from the bottom. Added from the bottom. Frequencies are added from the bottom. This is 6. 14 minus 6 is 8. Same process for finding the frequency when LCF is given. So we did from the beginning. Now we are doing from the end. 14 minus 6. 23 minus 14. 36 minus 23. 42 minus 36. 6. 14 minus 6. 8. 23 minus 14. 9. 36 minus 23. 13. 42 minus 36. 6. Second question is, less than cumulative frequency also asked. Less than cumulative frequency is also asked. So forget about this, these are the frequencies. 6. 6 plus 13, 19, 19 plus 9, 28, 28 plus 8, 36, 36 plus 6, 42. Less than cumulative frequency, adding the frequencies from top. 6, 6 plus 13, 19, 19 plus 9, 28, 28 plus 8, 36, 36 plus 6, 42. Complete. Two questions I complete in the same table. So greater than cumulative frequency is given, we have to find the frequency. So 6, 14 minus 6 is 8, 23 minus 14 is 9, like this. Next, less than means adding the frequency from top. So I can write that step also, adding the frequencies. So LCF means total, this is 6. Next is 6 plus 13, 19 plus 9, 28 plus 8, 36 plus 6, like this. So total exercise is completed, students. You practice this exercise, very very important. Practice. First exercise also important, this also important. Write down. Any doubts? I will, after completing the chapter, I will give 1 day time. You can ask that. You note it down. Any doubt, you put tick mark. All doubts you ask at one time. Students, after completing this second exercise, now some definitions. Bar graph. Bar graph. Students, actually we are drawing some diagrams now onwards. In the third exercise, total diagrams only. Bar graph means you are already familiar with this. Suppose there is a class, A grade, there are 20 students, B grade, say 10 students, B grade 15 students, C grade say 10 students, D grade 5 students. This is the data. A grade, B grade, C grade, D grade, like this. I can represent this data in the another form so that easy to understand. Suppose how I represent, see here. I will take the numbers here 5, 10, say 15, 20. See here, A grade 10. I will start a rectangular diagram like this. A grade up to what? 10. A grade. Next rectangle for B grade up to 15. B grade is up to 15. C grade is up to 10. C grade. C grade up to 10. D grade up to 5. See 5. Like this. So we represent this data like this also. Now we even any basic knowledge, if suppose if it is an uneducated person, if you see this is A grade, this is B grade, means he can get idea. Okay, A grade is less, B grade is more. Okay, and A grade and C grade are equal. D grade are less students. Like that, even everybody can understand this. So easy to understand. That means we represent the given data in different forms. In one of the form is a bar graph. This is a bar graph, a rectangular figures. If the length, height is equal to given height or length, what we can call. So the length is equal to the given numbers. A is 10 means length is 10. B 15 means B bar graph up to 15. C 10 means C bar graph up to 10. D is 5 means D is up to 5, like that. Write down. A small definition you write down. Write down bar graph heading. Side. A display of information. A display of information. A display of information using vertical or horizontal. Same can be done like this also. Display of information using vertical or horizontal. Vertical or horizontal bars. Horizontal bars. Vertical or horizontal bars, nothing but rectangles. It will be all within the bracket you write rectangles of this length, this thickness we take same thickness, because A grade more thickness, B grade less thickness, none. Height will change, lengths will change according to the data, but thickness is same. Here it is not like that, but this thickness is same. So a display of information using vertical or horizontal bars of uniform width. Uniform means same width. Uniform width. Uniform width. Uniform width and different heights. Different, we can call this height or length. Different lengths. Different lengths. How we are taking the lengths? How we are deciding the length? In proportion to the given values. Different length in proportion to, write down. Different lengths in proportional to respective values. In proportional to respective values is called a bar graph. Is called a bar graph. Example. Data is given, bar graph is drawn. Write down. You can draw this example. This is a bar graph. We can draw vertical or horizontal also. Same can be done like this. One rectangle like this, another rectangle like this also. Students, this is about the bar graph. Complete it fast. Then second graph is histogram. Histogram. Students, next frequency histogram means we take like this. We write 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Don't write. Just for explanation. No need of writing it. Just for explanation. Anyway, we will solve the exercise problems. Class intervals on this and frequencies. Students, 10 to 20 class. So you start a rectangle taking this 10 to 20 width up to 5. See here students, up to 5. See 5. Twenty to 30, 20. 20 to 30, start here. 20 to up to 20, no? 20 to 30. 20 to 30. 30 to 40, 15. 15 here. 30 to 40. 30 to 40. 40 to 50, 10. 40 to 50, 10. 10 is here. This is called histogram. Same like bar graph, but class intervals are taken. Height will be in proportional to given frequency. Same. Write down. Histogram, a small definition. Write down. Rectangular figures whose width is equal to rectangular figures. All are these rectangles only. Rectangular figures whose width is equal to class interval. Whose width is equal to class interval. Whose width is equal to class interval. Now this is called height or length. Anyone. We use length, let us. Width, because we are using width means we should be called length. So whose widths are equal to class intervals and lengths are equal to frequency. Lengths are equal to frequency. Lengths are equal to frequency. Widths are equal to class intervals, lengths are equal to frequency. Is called a histogram. Is called a histogram. Is called a histogram. The lengths are nothing but, these widths are nothing but class intervals. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Heights are nothing but, height or length is nothing but frequency. For this 10 to 20 is up to 5. 20 to 30 is 20. 20 to 30 up to 20. 30 to 40, 15. like that. So this is the histogram. Write down this definition. Remaining we have 3 more definitions that I will explain tomorrow. We will continue tomorrow's class. You write down this example. That's just for practice. And write this example and let us stop here.